Hey guys, so I wanted to come on and quickly do a video on what I do every day in the market, whether I am practicing or I am um, just, or if I'm day trading. So this is the MES. This is a futures contract or market that I'm looking at. And if you see right here, I have this box here. This actually was where the market opened on this first candle. Now with the futures market, it's open 23 hours a day. And so what I'm looking for is areas of support and resistance made during the intraday session. The intraday session starts at 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And so I'm looking for patterns in the market, and I'm also looking for areas of support or resistance. Now, support just simply means that this is where the price will be uh, going up at. Resistance means this is where the price will be going down at. And I'm looking, as you see right here, we broke and closed above this resistance area. And now I have a pattern. So I'm just gonna buy the market, okay? And I'm gonna move my stop to the low of this pattern here. Now the volatility in the market is super high. So as this candle is moving, you can see this is how much I am positive or negative in the trade. Now, what I'm looking for the price to do is to go up at least to this area up here of resistance. I want it to go back up there. If it goes back up there, then I will make money in the market. Then I am using the 2-minute time frame. I am in a simulated account so that I can show you what I look for. Now you can see the price is pushing up, and I am now in the green. I'm making money in this trade. Uh, Again, I'm trading the MES, which means that it is the micro ES or S&P 500. It mimics the S&P 500. And it is $5 per point. So for every point that I get in my favor, I'm going to earn $5. Every point that I lose, that it goes against where I got in. So I got in right here where that tan line is. As the price is moving, it almost looks like a little needle. As it's moving up, I'm making money. But if it goes below this tan line, then I'm going to be losing money. If it comes below the low of this candle, then I am going to be out of the trade with a calculated loss. Now you can see I'm up in this trade. Again, if I was sure, there are two types of markets with the futures market when we're trading the ES or you can either trade the E-minis or the micros. I trade the micros. If this was the E-minis, this $95 or $100 that I'm up would be $1,000. So the micros is 10% of the E-minis. So I like this big old green pattern here. I like it. It's a strong pattern. I can also pull my stop up so that I can lock in some profits. I can do that if I want to, or I can leave my stop at break even. So this will be a free trade. I won't be losing any money in this trade if I so choose. I can take my money, or I can see if we're going to actually come up here to this target. Now, most of you will be like, I'll take my $100. And that's $100 per contract. So if I had 5 contracts, then I would have made $500 in a matter of minutes. This is why I love day trading the futures market, because you get your money really fast, and if you know what you're doing, then you can get a lot of money really fast. You can see we are kind of pausing a little bit. I'm looking at how we respond to the low of this candle that started this down move. But I want to see if we can make it up here to the top. Let me go ahead on and push my stop up to the low of that candle and lock in some more profits. I'm up $143 in this trade. Now I know most of you are like, well, why didn't you take that trade live? Well, that's not the point. I'm just really trying to teach you and show you what I'm doing in the market, what I see in the market. When you have the recipe, you don't have to prove anything. All you got to do is just take the trades and make money. When you have the recipe, all you have to do is just take your trades any day. It doesn't matter. You're not freaking out if you're missing a trade because you already know what to do. I can come in this market and make money any time I want. All right, so looks like we are pushing up close. I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop up to the low of this candle and lock in some more profits. And let's see if we're gonna make it all the way up there to that zone there. That's what I'm looking for. I'm up $186. Let's go ahead on and get on up there, man. Get on up there. I like the way it's moving. This is live time. This is not playback. This is the live market. Let's see. It looks like we are going to pull back some. All right. So I got out of that trade with $125. That's how much money I locked in. And again, we in the futures market, we can buy and sell the market on these little small moves. So if you were a seller, when it comes up here, if we create some type of bearish pattern, which I teach in class, if we create some type of bearish pattern, then we can sell the market and make money as well. So you can make money whether it's going up or down in the futures market. All right. You guys have a blessed day. That's my quick little snippet, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.